A customer plans to expand his biogas plant. It's planned to double the biogas production, which is done by building further biogas digester tanks, a new biogas upgrading plant, and a new gas boiler. Part of that expansion includes a heat recovery system which can cool down the digested substrate and, through a heat pump, export that heat energy to the local district heating system. Danfoss and NG has been selected to deliver the chiller and heat pump system. The system consists of one chiller and one heat pump unit. Thereby, per definition, the chiller is controlled by the chilled water outlet temperature at the evaporator. The heat pump is controlled by the warm water outlet temperature at the condenser. Under normal operation, they are considered as being connected in series. The digested substrate has a temperature of 45 degrees when it leaves the digester tanks. This substrate is to be cooled to below 15 degrees before it's pumped to the post-storage tanks. Approximately 1,378 cubic meters a day of manure will be cooled down. The cooling system is planned to run 24/7. The cooling of the substrate is done through two slurry water heat exchangers working in parallel. These heat exchangers are supplied by chilled water at 9 degrees temperature by the NG chiller. The chilled water is pre-cooled by a heat pump supplied by NG, where the temperature of the district heating water returning to the biogas plant at approximately 35 degrees and is preheated by the chiller to 52 degrees is increased to approximately 67. The warm water is then sent through another heat exchanger connected to the existing biomass boiler, and the temperature is there boosted further to 80 to 90 degrees before it's sent back to the local district heating grid. The overall efficiency grade of the system counts up to 4.6.